32. वृक्षस्य स्वगतो भेदः शाखाद्यवयवैस्तथा वृक्षान्तरात् सजातीयो विजातीयः शिलादितः This creation was nothing but Sat before it actually came into existence. Before the world was created, it was nothing but Sat. And the same Sat now appears as the Jagat, the Srishti. Illustration given was, before the pots etc. were made from mud. What was there? Only mud. Mud appears as pots etc. Ornaments made from gold, before they were made, what was there? Only gold only. The gold itself appears as ornaments. Varieties of instruments made of iron, well, earlier nothing but iron only appears as instrument. So, the Jagat was nothing but Sat earlier, and it appears as now Nama Rupatmaka Jagat. What is this Sat? That is now described as Ekameva Advitiyam. Ekam eva Advitiyam. What does this phrase Ekameva Advitiyam mean? It shows that Sat is something which is Swagata Bheda Shunyam, Sajatiya Bheda Shunyam, Vijatiya Bheda Shunyam. So what are these Bhedas? We have already seen. The question is, in this Sat, which itself is Brahma, why these three types of Bhedas, distinctions, Swagata, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, why they are not there? The reasons are being now given. Sati. Sati means in Sat, means Brahmani. Bhedatraya bhave kramena hetun nirupayati. Bhedatraya bhave. For the absence of these three types of Bhedas, distinctions in Sat Brahma, hetun nirupayati. The reasons are being now given in this stanza 33. Na satyavayava santi tenaikam syadakhandakam jatyabhavat sajatiyam vijatiyam cha durbhanam. Sati avayavaha na santi. Sati avayavaha na santi. Tena ekam akhandakam syat. Tena ekam akhandakam syat. Jatyabhavat sajatiyam vijatiyam cha durbhanam. Jatyabhavat sajatiyam vijatiyam cha durbhanam. Sati. What is Sati? In Sat. Locative of Sat. In Sat. That is Brahma. Avayavaha na santi. In Brahma, Sati, Brahmani. Avayavaha, parts, limbs, na santi, are not there. In Brahma, there are no parts, no avayavas. So it is called as Niravayava, free from avayavas, free from limbs, Niravayava. So therefore, Tena, on account of that, Ekam Akhandakam Syat. Sat Brahma is one. What of what nature? Akhandakam. Akhandakam is the one in which khandas, divisions, are not there. So, limbs or parts means divisions. So here, Akhandakam, devoid of divisions syat. It happens to be the one which is devoid of divisions. Akhandakam, devoid of divisions. So, tena, on account of that, because there are no avayavas, parts, limbs in Brahma, it happens to be ekam, one, akhandakam, devoid of divisions. That happens to be so. As for other two bheda, sajatiya, vijatiya, the reason is jatya bhavat. In Brahma, no jati is there. So no species are there. When the species are there, sajatiya bheda, vijatiya bheda are possible. Jatya bhavat, because of the absence of jati. So in Brahma sati, sajatiyam, vijatiyam cha. Both sajatiya bheda and vijatiya bheda are what? Durbhanam, durvacham. Difficult to speak means that is they are impossible. They are impossible. Why? Brahma is advitiya. There is nothing second than that. That and that alone exists, and therefore sajatiya bheda, vijatiya bheda are next to impossible because jati itself is not there. To have jati minimum how many required? Two. It is advitiya. There is nothing but one and the same. So that being the case, so it is free from all the sajatiya and vijatiya bhedas. So it is free from sagata bheda, sajatiya bheda, vijatiya bheda. Now this is what is suggested or told by ekameva advitiyam. The word ekam, eva and advitiya in Sat is ekameva advitiyam. They speak of these three bhedas being absent in that. We had seen that eka stands for the absence of swagata bheda. Then eva stands for absence of sajatiya bheda. And advitiya, that is advitiyam stands for freedom from vijatiya bheda. So that is now pointed out in this next stanza. Ekadibhi padair bheda trayamatra nivaryate. Sarva bheda vihinam yadakhandam tat sadikshatam. Correct it. Not sakshatadim, sadikshatam. All they have to do is that last but one letter D has to be brought after sa. D, last but one letter has to be brought after the and before ksha. Sadikshatam, sat ikshatam. It is a misprint. Alternative reading is there, samikshatam, but here sadikshatam is the other, that is the correct one. There is nothing called sakshatadim. This is a misprint only. Anvaya, ekadibhihi padaihi atra bhedatrayam nivaryate. Ekadibhihi padaihi atra bhedatrayam nivaryate. Yad akhandam, no, yad sarva bheda vihinam akhandam. Yad sarva bheda vihinam akhandam tat sat ikshatam. Tat sat ikshatam. So by ekadibhi padaihi, by this word eka etc. Adi for what? Eva and advitiya. Ekam, eva, advitiyam. That is what is eva and advitiya stand for adi. Eka for ekam. Ekadibhi padaihi. By these words in the Chandogya Shruti, atra, here. Here means where? Sati Brahmani. In Sat Brahma. In Sati Brahmani. Bhedatrayam nivaryate. The three Vedas are what? Negated. Nivaryate are negated. They are denied these three Vedas, Svagata, Sajatiya, Vijatiya Veda, are not there. That is what these Vedas are negated in Brahma. So, and therefore, what should be done? Yad, whatever, Sarva Bheda Vihinam. Yat Sarva Bheda Vihinam Akhandam. That which is free from all Vedas itself is free from divisions. Tat Sat. That Sat Vastu Ikshatam should be discovered, should be directly cognized. It should be directly cognized. See, now look here. What is this Sat as Brahma? A norm has been given. It is what? Ekameva Dvitiyam. And what you know Ekameva Dvitiyam as what? Free from Swagata, Sajatiya, Vijatiya Bheda. This is only a definition. Can you find out what that thing is? From where will you start? From where will you start? Any unknown thing can be probed through the means of known things. Unknown things cannot be probed with the means of unknown things. You will land nowhere. So therefore you have to, suppose you want to visit someone's house, friends or something. You have a new place, first time you are going to that place as such. You have got the address and you are searching. That postal address is not clear as to find out, locate where the road you don't know, anything you don't know. So you ask a passerby who is kind enough, hey, where is this place? He said, there is one, what is that? Such and such talkie. Behind that, post office is there. Still other side by that, other school is there. Behind the school is this. Okay. But he has not told you how to reach the post office. No, talkie. Post office also not known. Suppose if you know the talkie, you can certainly, then what? So behind it, side by the side, behind, like that you can handle. So everything is unknown to you. How can you say? So therefore, at least something should be known. Unknown thing can be probed through known thing. Do you know Sat Brahma? Yes or no? Because you are participating in the campus, you don't know. So, do you know Jagat? Very much. Is it not? We are always in the Jagat. Yes. Get hold of this Jagat. And apply the norm. What is that? Any blessed thing from the Jagat you take and try to find out, is anything from the Jagat doesn't have Swagata, Sajatiya and Vijatiya Bheda. From where will you start? It is always advisable to start from where, do you know? From ourselves. But ourselves, that is what we are trying to probe into, Atma, etc. That is okay, you don't bother about that. But what you take to yourself to be, do you know or not? What do you take yourself to be presently? Body, this embodiment, start from that. Has it got Swagata Bheda? Yes or no? Yes. No? Still doubt? We have seen head, forehead, eyebrows, how many limbs are there? Without limbs we can't function also. Okay, that's right. It's Swagata Bheda. Sajatiya Bheda, yes. Varieties of human beings are there. Vijatiya Bheda, certainly yes. Human being is not a cow, not a donkey, so not a tree, so not like this, not a car, so not the earth, so like this. Now any other thing, you take tree also has got Swagata Bheda, Vijatiya Bheda, Sajatiya Bheda, so like that. Anything that you take have got all these. But only one thing doesn't have two. Say, up to space, all three Bhedas are there. Air may not have the Swagata Bheda. Air may not have Swagata Bheda. It may not have, yes, the two, Swagata. But Vijatiya Bheda, it is. Take space. Swagata Bheda is not. Air may have Swagata Bheda because the rarity, the density may vary, possibly. Density may vary. Okay. You take space. Space, Swagata Bheda is there. Head of the space, tail of the space, leg of the space, hand of the space. No. Then Sajatiya Bheda is there. How many types of Bhedas are there? These spaces are there. If you say Bhedas are there, I will say here lot of spaces inside here. So there is no Sajatiya Bheda. Varieties of spaces, Indian space, Pakistani space, American space, nothing like that. Okay, these two are there. Air, see, look here. Air has got Sajatiya Bheda, means gases, etc. Sajatiya Bheda. Swagata Bheda also to an extent we can. Though parts are not there, either you can say that it has no Swagata Bheda, that's fine. But it has got the Sajatiya Bheda. Space has no Sajatiya Bheda, no Swagata Bheda, but it has got Vijatiya Bheda. What is Vijatiya Bheda? Space is not air, space is not water, space is not fire, space is not earth, space is not a tree. So that Vijatiya Bheda is there. Space is the one which has got only one Bheda, rest of the almost all of others have got the three Bhedas. Now what else left out? None of the thing from the creation can fit in the definition of Ekameva Dvitiyam Sat. The space, how do you know space? You know what is space? Space is only that which accommodates. Avakasha Datru Akasha. Avakasha Datru. That lends accommodation, that accommodates. So we are in the hall, is it not? If hall were not there, be on the open, or the room, means we are accommodated. The entire earth is accommodated where? In the space. All galaxies are accommodated where? In the space. That which accommodates. Actually, space is a concept of intellect. In sleep, you have no space. If at all you sleep, even during meditation here, you don't know that you are in meditation hall. Is it? Even if sleep, you don't know that you are, while asleep, you know not that you are sleeping where? In Mahabaleshwar. No. Where the intellect is there, concept of space comes. Means again, space is known through what? Antakarana Vritti. That Antakarana Vritti, has it got Bhedas? Antakarana Vritti may not have, we may not be able to have Swagata Bheda there, but it has got Sajatiya Bheda, it has got certainly Vijatiya Bheda. So fine. But that Chaitanya, because of which you are able to know the Akashakara Vritti, space Akara thought, itself is free from the space Akara Vritti, space Akara thought, should necessarily be what? Free from all these divisions. So only Chaitanya and Chaitanya alone can be Sat. And being free from Akasha, it should be much more pervasive than Akasha. So that is what. So based on these norms, we can arrive. Ekameva Dvitiyam can be only Chaitanya Sarvavyapi. This is only reasoning. This is not the establishing Chaitanya based on reasoning. So the final pramana, means of knowledge, is what? Shruti. Shruti says it is Ekameva Chaitanya. Sat Chaitanya is so. That is the pramana. But to understand, we analyze this way based on reasoning. Chaitanya, pure awareness alone should be Sat. That is Sat Ekameva Advitiyam, free from three Vedas. So having, that is, Sadeva Some Idamagra Asit Ekameva Advitiyam, having told, this Jagat was nothing but Sat, which is nothing but Ekameva Advitiyam, Brahma, free from three Vedas. Before proceeding further, to show to Shvetaketu, this Sat is the Karana, cause of entire creation. So therefore, if you know Sat Brahma, all Jagat is known by you. Before proceeding, a doubt that is there in the mind of some people, or some people who voice a particular school of thought, that before the creation, what was there was nothing. Asat was there. There are some people who speak that before creation there was nothing, shunya, asat, non-existence was there. And from that non-existence, shunya, asat, Jagat was born. This is their contention. How it is wrong, the Shruti itself is going to prove. So that is now being described now. From stanza 35 to 37 is the notion that asadeva idamagra asid. That is being now refuted. Asadeva idamagra asid. Actually the portion from Chandogya is tadhaika ahu asadeva idamagra asid. Ekameva dvitiyam tasmad asataha sajjayata. So this is the Shruti 6:2:1, 6th chapter, 2nd section, 1st mantra. Tadhaika ahuhu. Some say that idam agre, idam jagat, this jagat, before creation, what was it? Asad eva asi. It was nothing but asad, non-existent, shunya. And what type of shunya it is asad? Ekam eva advitiyam. They say that. Ekam eva advitiyam. And what happened afterward? Tasmad asataha. From that asat, from that non-existence, sat jayata. What was born was existence, sat was born. So this is what they say. So that is how it is wrong. Let us see. First he says, the reasons are being given why it is wrong. Asti tish. There it is said, Sani, how is it possible that means there, that it can be asat, etc. That is the meaning of that is this. Asti ti shabda buddhi dve drishye te nama rupayoho. Tadabhavat pura srishti shunyamahuravaidikaha. Nama rupayoho asti iti shabda buddhi dve drishyete. Srishtehe pura tadabhavat shunyam add jagat karanam iti. After shunyam add jagat karanam iti avaidikaha ahu. Avaidikaha ahu. So what is their stand of this? That means these people who say before creation asat was there, that is now first told, afterwards it will be refuted. How it is wrong will be shown. Nama rupayoho. In the entire world, loke in the world, sarvasmin namni rupecha. Nama rupayoho means locative dual. In the world, in all namas, the names, and the rupa, the forms. That is what is Nama Rupayoho. In the entire world, in all names and forms, what do we find? We find this. Asti iti shabda buddhi dve drishyete. Dve, these two. Drishyate are seen, are experienced. What are those? Asti iti Shabda Buddhi. Shabda Buddhi, nominative dual. That is, Asti iti Shabdaha, Asti iti Buddhi. The word is, you take anything, any nama rupa, any name and form, any blessed object in the world. What is that? That object is. And what? Asti and Buddhi. That cognition of that object. Knowledge of the object. This is such and such thing. It is such and such thing. Shabda Buddhi Dve Drishyate. Yes or no? Anything that is there in the entire Jagat, we do find these two things. That which has got Nama and Rupa. See, name is okay. Rupa, form, doesn't mean that is seen by only eyes. No, don't mistake that. Rupa is a thought. It has got a Rupa means a specific feature. That's all. Rupa means a specific feature. Need not. Sound has got Rupa. Not the thing to be seen by the eye. That is different thing. But it has got a feature. Taste. It has got a feature. That means in that sense, in the wider sense, the Rupa word is used. Not that only name and that can be seen by the eye. Generally, Rupa is what? The form that can be seen by the eye. But Rupa also means nature. It has a specific nature. It has a specific feature. So therefore, every blessed object that is there in the creation has got a specific feature. For that also Rupa word is there. So therefore, Nama Rupa Yoho Astiti Shabda, the word that it is, and also Astiti Buddhi means the cognition that is born of the word Asti. So Buddhi stands here for Asti Shabda Janita Pratyayaha. Asti put in inverted comma. Asti Shabda Janita Pratyayaha. The Pratyaya, the cognition born of the word is. See, when you say microphone is, does it not give you some sense, some cognition? The microphone is. Microphone is a word, and microphone is, that is gives some cognition. That's called Buddhi. These two things we do find in all the Nama Rupas of anything that is there in the Jagat. Now they argue like that. Srishte Pura, before this world came into existence or it was created, Tadabhava. Tadabhavat has to be resolved. Tayoho abhavat. Because of absence of those two. What are those two? Asti iti shabda buddhi. That is, which asti iti shabda buddhi? Nama rupa yoho. That is, nama rupa gatayoho. Abiding in the nama and rupa. Asti iti shabda buddhayoho abhava. Because of the absence of the shabda, it is absence of that cognition arising from the word is these two being absent. So they say, these people, do you know who are they? Avaidikaha. Those who do not take recourse to Vedas, totally rely on their reasoning, intellect only. Avaidikaha means Vedabahyaha. So they don't consider the Vedas. They don't accept the Vedas. This Avaidikaha. So what they say? Shunyam Jagat Karanam iti. So Shunya, non-existence, is the cause of the Jagat. Because before creation, that is, the Nama Rupas having ease and that cognition are not available. Therefore, Shunyam Jagat Karanam, non-existence, void or non-existence is the cause of Jagat. Iti Avaidikaha. Those who are Avaidikaha, Ahuhu, they say. See, Shunya means non-existence, one meaning. Shunya word also has got this, what is that, meaning as empty. Which was the text taken last year here? Anubhuti Prakasha on which Upanishad? Maitrayaniya Upanishad. Aitreya? Maybe a year before. Acha, okay. Last year was Aitreya, correct. Year before was Maitrayaniya Upanishad. Do you remember the word Shunya has come there? Shunya had come there. And that Shunya meant, what was meant by that? Nirvishesha. Nirvishesha. Free from all the Visheshas, not non-existence. That should be very clear. So that is we have forgotten, therefore no doubt. Okay. So had you remembered, there is bound to be a doubt. Because there it was, Shunya was Nirvishesha, means empty. A pot is empty. What does it mean? There is nothing, but do you mean to say there is no space? Space is there. Space is there. So that is what. So this is what intelligence of scientists. Some neuroscientists, they said, is because with the most powerful microscope we have seen, nothing is seen. What does it take for granted? Space has got a form that can be seen by the eyes directly or with the magnified capacity. Likewise, there is no soul. Forget the word soul, Atma. Okay. There is no Atma in the brain. What is taken for granted? Atma is something which has got the visible form. So that is taken for granted. Who told you? Because of which you deny that is what the Chaitanya Atma. So that is now Shunyam. So what they mean by Shunya is non-existent. Not what was used in the Maitrayaniya Upanishad. In fact, this word Jnaneshwar Maharaj has used this word in Amrutanubhava, Shunya. It should be understood properly, nahi to gadbad ho jayega. So, the persons who are not there, see, Jnaneshwar Maharaj doesn't know at all. He must be Buddhist, belonging to Shunyavadi, etc. They may say this. So, you should understand that. So, but these people speak of non-existence. That is what is wrong. That is to be refuted now. So they are avaidikaha. And what they say afterwards, let us see. Tadabhavat means namarupa asti iti shabda buddhayoho buddhayo, not buddhayoho, shabda buddhyoho. Don't bother about Sanskrit. Shabda buddhyoho abhava. Further what they say, they continue. So next stanza. Namarupatmakam shunyat kilaitadupapadyate tadayuktam na vandhyaya putrat putrantarodbhavaha. Vandhyayaha, Visarga is there. I think Visarga is not clear there. Is there? Yes. Okay. Visarga should be there because there is no sandhi. Because of pa coming, it doesn't get elided. Vandhyayaha. It is there, okay, that's fine. Right. I thought I have put it. Okay, that's because one dot is not clear. One dot is not clear. It may be ink or it may be clear in your my this thing. One dot is clear, one dot is little, this is not very clear. I thought I have put in my, that's why I thought. Shunyat kila etad namarupatmakam ad jagat upapadyate. Shunyat kila etad namarupatmakam ad jagat upapadyate. Again add iti avaidikaha ahu from earlier stanza. Iti avaidikaha ahu. So this is what they have to say. These people who have said in Shruti, tadhaika ahu asadevamagra asit ekameva dvitiyam. Now what they say, from that asat, this namarupatmaka sat is born. So therefore, that is now. That is also told. Now how it is wrong will be now told. It is being now proved how it is wrong. First he introduces tadayuktam. We have to see the anvaya. Tadayuktam putkama vandhyayaha putrat putrantarodbhavaha na. Vandhyayaha putrat putrantarodbhavaha na. Further you can add a big phrase. Evam shunyasya api jagadutpadakatvam na sambhavati. Evam shunyasya api jagadutpadakatvam na sambhavati. Shunyat kila. Kila indeed. So Shunyat kila etad namarupatmakam jagat upapadyate. What they say is, indeed, they may quote Shruti also. What is that? Nasadiya sukta is there. Nasadasit, sadasit, etc. is there. Nasadasit, that's all. Or even here also, in the Brahmana Pata, which is continuous, Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asit. Prior to that, what it should be seen, because at times no can be elided also. So that is what they do anyway. So Shunyat kila. I don't know whether I have not verified that. What was the earlier word in that in the earlier chapter, end of the earlier chapter, whatever it may be. So they say, this is what they say. Asadeva Idamagra Asit. That is what they say. So Shunyat kila, from this non-existence, verily, indeed, this etat, this perceptible, cognized jagat. What type of jagat it is? Nama rupatmakam jagat, of the nature of nama and rupa. Upapadyate, is born. Iti so avaidikaha ahu. Those who do not accept the Vedas, they say so. Is it true? Or wrong? Certainly is wrong, because already what he has said, Sadeva Somya Idamagravasit, and from that Jagat is going to be born, will be shown afterward. So therefore he says, Tadayuktam. So he refutes this notion of this Avaidikas. Tad means their notion that Asad was there, from that Asad is Namarupatmaka Jagat is born. Ayuktam, it is improper, it is not tenable, it is not correct. Why? He says, such a thing is never seen from a non-existent thing. Something that is existent can never be born, for which illustration is given. Vandhyayaha putraha putrantarodbhavaha na. From a son of a barren woman, another son being born is not possible. Because why? That Vandhyaputra himself doesn't exist there, where the question of he having another son is not possible. In that manner, evam, in the same manner, shunyasyapi, the shunya non-exists also, jagadutpadakatvam na bhavati, na sambhavati. For shunya also, the status of being the cause for utpadakatvam is status of being the producer, means the cause, status of being the cause is not possible. Why? From a non-existent thing, existent thing cannot be born. An illustration is given. Another defect, if you say the Jagat Karana is Shunya, which can be verified that Jagat Karana cannot be Shunya. So what is that defect? Let us see. Shunya jatve nama shunyam rupam shunyamiti drishaha. Shunyanuvedho bhaseta sadvedhastvavabhasate. Shunyanu, nya, correct it. I think now you can understand. That's why I'm changing the tone like Kaku Prayoga, you know. So when the tone is changed, we should be careful. There is some mistake there, needs correction. So therefore, shunya, not, printing is shunyanu veda. Nya should be corrected to nya. Akara to be one vertical line has to be put there. Shunyanu veda, not shunyanu veda. So, other reason why the shunya, non-existence can ever be the cause of the jagat, which is of the nature of existence. Add first jagataha. Shunya jatve jagataha. Continue. Shunya jatve nama shunyam. Put these two words in inverted comma. Nama shunyam, one phrase. Further, rupam shunyam. Again put in another inverted comma. Rupam shunyam. Iti idrishaha shunyanuvedhaha bhaseta. Now, note the sandhi breaking. Sad vedaha tu avabhasati. The sandhi breaking. Sad vedaha tu avabhasati. After sandhi has become sad vedastvavabhasati. Now, anvaya is tu sad vedaha avabhasati. Sad vedaha avabhasati. If this is so, what is that? As told by these people, jagataha shunya jatvi. If jagat, the world, is something that is born from shunya, non-existent, do you know what will happen? Keep in mind. Cause always inheres in the effect. Effect has no existence apart from cause. When the effect gets destroyed, it should necessarily merge back in the cause. This is the rule. So now, cause should necessarily inhere in the effect. If it doesn't inhere, do you know what will happen? Nobody will dare to give the gold to the goldsmith to make the ornament. Why? He gave the gold, gold chale gaya, ornament without the gold will come. Nobody will dare to do that. So therefore, now, if you say the cause of Jagat is Asat Shunya, then what is the Jagat is born of what? Shunya. Then what will happen? That cause, non-existence, Shunya, should necessarily inhere where? Continue where? In the effect. Then this will happen. What is the? Jagataha Shunya Jatvi. If the Jagat is born of Shunya, Jagat is born of Shunya, it says, Nama Shunyam. In the word Nama, name is there or not? You know what it should happen? Shunyam, Shunyam, Rupam Shunyam, Rupam Shunyam. So, form also is Shunya, non-existence, iti, of such type, idrishaha. So, idrisha. Actually, iti for the inverted comma. Idrisha of this type, Shunyanuvedha bhaseta. What is bhaseta? Appear is what? Shunyanuvedha. Anuveda means Anuvritti, or what is called as conformity, following, or continuity in. So there will be continuity in the non-existence. Name is non-existent, and Rupa is non-existent. Means nothing called Nama will be there, nothing called Rupa will be there. But what is our experience? Nama is, existence is inhering, Rupa is existence. Even the absence of something is or is not? Is. So absence of something also is, that existence continues. So therefore, Shunyanuvedha means Shunyanuvrittihi, means conformity to Shunya, non-existence, or following of non-existence, or continuity in non-existence. Bhaseta, will appear. Whereas, what exactly is that? Tu, our experience, what does our experience tell? Tu, sadvedaha avabhasati. What appears to be there? Tu means kintu. Whereas, what we find, what appears to be there in terms of our experience? Sadvedaha. The Veda, the continuity or conformity of Sad. How? San ghataha, san pataha, itivat. Pot is, cloth is. Ghataha, sun means that is nominative singular. Sat is there, nominative is sun. Pot is, this cloth is, I is, never mind English, okay. I is, you is, okay, don't. We want is only. That is becomes are, that is grammar afterward. Okay, that's it. Like that, no, station master's English, It says, during British time, in South India, at one station, small village, but that was a station. So the train halted. An English man got down. And there was only one person. So he wanted something, and this fellow wanted to say, who is the station master? He said, I is the station master. He wanted to be sure. Are you the station master? Yes, sir, I am the station master. Anyway, he conveyed that. Okay, that's what. Never mind English, but he didn't know much English, but he knows what he's asking, and he conveyed. That's okay. So therefore, I is, you is, everything is. That is sat, sat, sat. R is that grammatical form, that is the same thing, that's fine. Actually, is also is from something. Do you know what it is? From where is? You say R, to be. Huh? It is from the verb to be. From that to be, he, she, it is, I am, you are, they are. But actually original is what? To be. From that is existence, from that is that to be is what? Here is what is called as Sat. As asti. As asti, from that existence Sat comes. So therefore Shunyanuvedha bhaseta. But what we find, sadvedha to avabhasate. Whereas what we find in our world in terms of experience is what? San ghataha, san pataha. So pot is, this cloth is, etc. So therefore, or otherwise, this way. Nama sat, rupa sat, rupam sat, is it not? Name is, and what? Form is. So therefore, what we find now? Anuvritti or Veda of what? Sat or asat? Sat. Sataha anuvritti or Veda bhasate. Avabhasate. That is what we find. So therefore, what we have to conclude? In the effect, the Jagat, the Sat continues. The cause must be equally Sat and not Asat, which we don't, Asat, continuity of Asat we don't find. So this way, this asadeva idamagra asid ekameva dvitiyam tasmad asataha sajjayate. This is what is wrong. Now, from stanza 38 to 72, Uddalaka describes the creation. Why does it describe the creation? To show that Sat is the cause of entire Jagat. If you know the cause Sat, entire Jagat is what? No. Which is Mithya in nature. Effect is Vacharambano vikaro namadheyam mrittiketyeva satyam. So therefore to show that the cause of entire Jagat is Sat, so the description of creation starts up to 72, and there Shvetaketu understands the Sat as the Karana of the Jagat, and he also comes to know that the knowledge of the Karana of the Jagat is the knowledge of Mithya Jagat. What was proved earlier with Mridghata Drishtanta? Karana Vijnanena Karya Vijnanam Bhavati. So this, in the context of the Jagat and its cause Sat, Shvetaketu discovered based on teaching, that is the father. So wherein he explains the creation. This we find now from Stanza 38 to 72. Now here to begin with, stanza 38, so speaks of, that is it shows, it explains the further Shruti mantra, that is 623, Tadaikshata Bahusyam Prajayeya. This Vakya is now being explained. Tad aikshata bahusyam prajayeya. Bahusya. In the Taitri also is that they different. Bahusyam prajayeya, satapo tapyata, satapas taptva, etc. So here it is a tadaikshata chandogya. Bahusyam prajayeya. So what is the meaning of that? Tad means that Sat. Aikshata, considered. What is that actual consideration will be clear. It's called Ikshana, consideration. Bahusyam prajayeya. So Bahusyam, that means I shall become many. I will become many. How? Prajayeya, I shall bring forth, I shall produce. I shall produce, I shall become myself to be many. So this is what it considered. So that is now being explained. Tata satkaranam sattu sarva srishtyarthamaikshata. Bahusyamahamevata prajayeyeti mayaya. One thing if you noted, explanation of Tadaikshata Bahusyam Prajayeya, this starts from Sattu Sarva Srishtyartham, not from the beginning of this stanza 38. So that Tataha Satkaranam, you put a separate, they put a comma there after Tataha Satkaranam. This is the continuation of earlier stanza 37, the conclusion of the refuting the Asat as the Karana. So up to that continues. That what is that? Asat as the cause of the Jagat is refuted, and it is concluded in this phrase Tataha Satkaranam. Thereafterwards, from Sat onwards, starts the explanation of Tadaikshata Bahusyam Prajayeya. This Vakya is explained. So take Anvaya. Tataha add Jagataha. Tataha add Jagataha. Karanam Sat add Eva. Tataha add Jagataha Karanam Sat Eva. Sat that sentence is over. In fact, you have to put full stop only. Sattu sarva srishtyartham aikshata. Aham eva bahusyam. Aham eva bahusyam. Ataha maya prajayeya iti. Ataha maya prajayeya iti. Tataha. Tataha means therefore. So therefore, this therefore refers to stanza 37. What is that? You have to take this way. Last phrase of stanza 37. Yataha sadvedaha avabhasati tataha. Because in the world we find the continuity in sat existence or inherence of existence, therefore, that is what is tataha. So yataha sadvedaha eva avabhasate. This much has to be taken to be the meaning of tataha, therefore. So therefore, it's like adhyara only. Because the continuity of existence is found is in the word, therefore, jagataha karanam, the cause of the jagat is what? Sat eva. Certainly what? Sat, existence, that ekameva advitiyam, Brahma only. This is what the conclusion of the refuting of this Purapaksha. Now, the creation is being described. What did Sat do? This Sattu, whereas this Sat, which was described earlier, Sadeva idamagra somedamagra asit ekameva advitiyam, that Sat to aikshata, sarva srishtyartham aikshata. It considered. What for it considered? What did it consider? Sarva srishtyartham. To create the entire jagat means it considered the creation of entire jagat. Who considered? Sat. And what did it consider? Creation of entire jagat. How did it consider? Like this. Aham eva. Verily me. What is that me? Sat Chaitanya. Bahusyam. I will become many. Like this. Let me become many. Ahameva. Let me verily become many. And how? Mayaya prajayeya iti. Prajayeya. I shall bring forth. I shall produce with the help of Maya. So now, have you got anything to say about this word aikshata? That Sat considered. That Sat, and what is that Sat? Chaitanya. Consider. To consider anything, what do you need? And what did it consider? Let me create Jagat. To consider anything, what do you need? Antakarna. Antakarna is in the Srishti or outside Srishti? In Srishti. Srishti is yet to be created. Jagat is yet to be created. Antakarna is a part of the Jagat. How did Sat consider? Sankalpa is what? Antakarna. Sankalpa also is Antakarna. So how did Sat means creation is yet to take place. And you know how creation takes place? Tasmadva etasmad atmana akasha sambhuta. That contradiction will come now. Tasmadva etasmad atmana akasha sambhuta akashad vayu vayu ragni agni rapa adbha prati prithivya oshadaya etc. etc. So five elements from the sattvic content what is born. Individually jnanendriyas, collectively antakarna. One part of aspect of antakarna is manaha, and that manaha takes to consideration sankalpa. Is it not? Rajasic content goes in the formation of karmendriyas, individually, collectively, prana. After grossification, the gross word takes place. means antakarna still to be created because five elements themselves are not created. How did it create? What is meant by aikshata? This is a particular type of Shruti statements are called as ikshana Shruti. Ikshana Shruti. What exactly is meant by that? So will be clarified here itself in stanza 44, first line. What is meant by ikshana Shruti or aikshata is a consideration means what? It is the reflection of Chaitanya Sat in the first vikara of Maya Prakriti. Just as a seed, what does it do? Is now germinating. When germinating, that means the least sprout that has now emerged, like the first modification. Before that, what happens? Swells. It swells. It swells. And then what happens? That means that sprout, little sprout comes. That is what the first modification, including the swelling. Like that, here, the first modification, now creation is to take place. Maya is what? Prakriti or Maya Shakti is what? Now is getting modified now. In that first modification, whatever Chaitanya has reflected Chidabhasa, that is what is called as Ikshana, will be clarified in stanza 44. So that is what. Why? That modification itself is not Ikshana. Why do you say the Chidabhasa in that is Ikshana? No. That vikara of Prakriti, Maya in that first itself is inert. Inert thing cannot do. What is required is Chidabhasa is required. Therefore the Chidabhasa is taken as Ikshana. Considering who can do, inert thing can do or the sentient thing can do? Sentient. So therefore the Chidabhasa is considered. This is very important thing. Otherwise, so other way of explanation is what? Ishvara is Sarva Shaktiman. He can consider even without the antakarna, but that considering even sankalpa, considering means sankalpa. Sankalpa without antakarna means this. In that first modification, that Chidabhasa that is there, that makes that means now the things are set now. So therefore now the beginnings of the creation start. So that is what is called aikshata, considered. For our communication we have to take as what? Considered. What did it consider? Ahameva bahusyam. Myself, let myself be winner. That shows what? There is nothing other than me as the material cause. So that is a prajayeya. I shall bring forth. That also shows without the help of anything else as the means or the instrument. Let me become. So it consider. Let us. Pratasmarana Stotra. When did you change the side? Did you see? I didn't see it. Side was changed or same thing continues? That's why I asked whether the side was changed or not. Pratasmarani. Pratasmarami hridi samspuradatmatattvam Satchit sukham paramahamsagatim turiyam Yat swapna jagara sushuptamavai